I learned the hard way what it's like to not have a team of real estate professionals on on your team, on your side as you're going in to make offers on commercial real estate properties. Before you make an offer on a commercial real estate property, I would highly suggest that you put together a team of professionals to help you out, because you definitely will run into issues. Probably the most important person you're going to want on your team, at least going in, if there's one person you absolutely should have, that is your lender. Your lender will definitely go through all the current rent rolls, the tax returns, the profit and loss statements or income statements, and with a fine tooth comb to make sure that that property can service the debt. So having a lender on your side is definitely very important. You might also want to consider taking another commercial real estate broker with you. Most of these guys, at least if they have some experience, will know what they're doing, and they can also help you to determine the value, whether you're overpaying or underpaying for a property. Also, of course, is the escrow officer, because if you have to put down some earnest money, you definitely don't want to just give it to the seller or their listing broker. It's best and safe to put it into an escrow account. Therefore, you'll need an escrow officer to help you with that. Of course, if you can, if possible, and if needed, depending on the complexity of the property, you may also want to have a real estate attorney to help you with any legal issues, environmental, anything like that. Okay, so that's my tip for today. I hope this helps. Good luck to you, and call me if you have any questions. Thank you.